Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting at recovery because that's where you regain control. First, power off and force 3 interrupted boots to open Windows recovery environment. Once done, choose Troubleshoot and Advanced Options. This is how you access Startup Repair, Safe Mode, and Command tools. If you have a Windows 11 USB, boot from it and pick Repair Your Computer to reach the same menu. Make sure to note recent installs or updates before changing anything. That context guides which fix you'll try next. Now you'll run the repair sequence. Start with Startup Repair, let it finish and reboot. It can fix bootloader and corruption automatically. If that fails, boot into Safe Mode to remove or roll back drivers and uninstall the last updates because those often trigger loops. You can also use Command Prompt. Run sfc/scano to repair system files and chkdskc/f to fix disk errors. These address the underlying causes rather than just symptoms. If a driver caused it, uninstalling and reinstalling in Safe Mode usually prevents recurrence. Finish by restoring or resetting depending on what you found. If a system restore point exists, use it to revert system files and settings. This often resolves stubborn loops. If restore isn't available or doesn't help, use reset this PC with the Keep My Files option. That reinstalls Windows without wiping your data. As a last resort, perform a clean install from USB. If problems persist, capture error codes and check logs in Event, Viewer, or Record BSOD messages. Those details guide advanced troubleshooting or technician help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.